Hello guys, this is Ahmad from Journey Signals. So in the last videos I have shared that you can make money with the help of tools website with the help of ChatGPT, and you can earn money with the Google AdSense. So in this video I'm going to explore the website which I developed with the help of ChatGPT completely with the zero coding knowledge. So what's the outcome? What's the website? How I made it? And how I apply it to the Google AdSense, whether it's upload or not. We have all the answers in this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. This is a website I built with the help of a ChatGPT and WordPress. So this is a basic home page where I mentioned what this tool is about. The main purpose of these tools is generate codes based on the search intent. So here I added two tools here. With one is a code generator and one is a caption generator. So when the user can access both the tools from the home page. So once they access, this is the first tool which I developed in this website. That is a code generator. What it will do is simply it will generate codes based on the user search intent. For example, if a user want to need codes in live category, so once they click on the live, when they search for the codes, it will give you the set of 5 results. So if you can use an extend previous button for the navigation purpose. So once you can click the next button until you find that which code is helpful for you. A similar way, you can generate a caption for your photos like this. In that case, user can click on the caption generator, and it will take you to the caption generator too. So user can select any category, any niche or any category they need to build a caption. For example, we can take a beauty. So it will give some caption for the beauty. So where this website will help is nowadays everyone using the social media, particularly Instagram. So to grab the attentions of the followers, we need to add some captions or quotes in that videos or any pictures. In that case, the user can use this website to generate quotes and caption for the photos and videos. So this is a simple idea that why I built this tool. So now we can step into the ChatGPT screen that how I generate these codes for the website. So this is a chat box which I chatted with the ChatGPT to generate these codes for the website. I asked the ChatGPT to create a complete code for the website for the code generator using the drop-down option for choosing the categories, and I asked to write a code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And ChatGPT given the complete script for me. This is not a complete script, but anyhow it given me some basic structure. So with that code, I can go through and we can change or modify based on our needs. For example, it given me only 3 categories like inspiration, motivation, and family. But when we look at our website, we have more than 10 categories in our website. I added a more category in the code. With a simple modification we can do. So that's not much coding knowledge needed for the specific modification and all. So as I mentioned, I didn't spend any money on this website. It is completely free. I built complete structure, complete website with the free sources only. So I didn't use any API to generate codes. Instead, for all the categories in the website, I selected some codes from outside, and I have combined all the codes and I have the stored in that JavaScript. The same way, I just duplicate that code and I generate the caption generator. So here I just change the categories and I'll change all the instead of codes I have replaced all the codes with the caption. This is how simple I made this website. Now we will move to the next part. So why I built this website? And this is one small tips. Before we're making any website, you have to do some research. Like you have to understand the basic keyword research and what is the search volume for that keyword. And because we don't want to use the we don't want to create the website where the people they don't want to use, right? So why I developed this website is like when we enter when we search for the course generator. This is a very old website and this is a simple website with there is no content over here, but if you search for when we search for the monthly traffic or a monthly visit, how much this site is getting, I use a similar web for the analyzing the website traffic, and these websites are getting about 50K per month. To be frank, I just to duplicate this website. So this is a basic idea which come from because so before getting into any tools website, first steps you have to do is you have to do your keyword research. So you have to understand that why we are going to build the website and who is the target audience and what is the search volume for that particular keyword. We are going to put complete to website on that keyword. So in my case, when I enter the course generator in Oversearch, it is giving me that is average of 6,600 search volumes. In the same way, I just checked with Ahrefs. In that particular keyword itself is getting about a 6K volume. So we have more keywords like in serial. So if we consider the cluster keywords even inspirational code generator is getting about a 1.2K and the code generator, random code generator has a search volume of 3.6 and the incorrect code generator has a 3.8. So I believe that this website has a good search volume and a low competition. So I just took that keyword. Instead of writing any content for that keyword, I decided to build one entire structure to website for based on that keyword. So that I don't want to get a headache in writing content for a long time. So once I build this website, I can publish online. So maybe after the in backend have to that is a common in backend we have to do some SEO things. Like we need to generate traffic, we need to generate backlinks to bring our website on top. So my website is completely new, so it has a domain rate of only 2 or 3. So if I do a proper SEO for this particular keyword, probably I'm going to get my website on a top. So I'm going to get a ranking. So I'm going to get audience or traffic from website. So ultimately, I'm going to earn money with that traffic. So this is how the simple works. So now we can go to the next part, very important and necessary part for this complete process. That is, we have a script in our hand, but there is no help without an audience, right? So if a user want to access my website, then I have to put all this complete website online so the user can get use from it. So in that case, the hosting and domain comes in. So I considered this same keyword as my domain name. So why I purchase my domain name in a keyword means simply if a person can search for the particular keywords, if my domain name has a particular keywords in that name, so most probably I'm going to get on that rank, right? So this is a small ideology. So I just purchased my domain in keyword name itself. Then I hosted the complete website in Hostinger, one of the best hosting service which I recently working on. So anyhow, I have mentioned somewhere here about me hosting a review. If you want, you can check that too. So once all the payment everything is done, now my website has ready to show. But where I can copy these codes, in that case, where a CMS comes in, the content management system comes in. So I use WordPress as a content management. So when we purchase the hosting from hosting, most probably all that hosting has inbuilt WordPress content management. So I use WordPress as a content management. So once I did all the login and all, and we have to. I installed one plugin over here that is called O plugins. That is WP Coder. So this is a plugin I installed. So where I can copy paste all the code which I get from Chat GPT. So here I paste the CSS, Java code, HTML script, HTML code over here, and it will generate a short code. So after that, when we visit our site, so this is a place I just paste or copy paste my short code, but we have to do some proper on page SEO because without any content, it won't get rank, right? So I just write the complete content on a code generator that how it's work and what's useful and how we can use and how it help the users, in which way it will help the users later. The same way I has duplicated to the caption generator. So I got a green signal. This is a Yoast SEO I'm using for the website for the SEO analysis. So if it is a green, that's a pretty good. So we have optimized the complete website for that keyword. So now we can come to the final part of the video. So once you have done all this, when you have all the entire website, then we have to apply for the AdSense. So what I did after I built this website, I have applied AdSense maybe after 2 to 3 weeks. After building a website, I waited for 2 to 3 weeks to get some traffic, like like 5 to 10 clicks, Google organic clicks. After that, I have applied to AdSense. So 2 days back, I just got a mail from the AdSense that my site has been approved for showing ads. And that's it, guys. This is the overall step I've gone through for creating this tool site. I know this video is a bit long, and I try to cover A to Z for this video. I hope you get some ideas on how you can develop these types of website for earning money online. So I hope this video is useful for you, and if you found this video useful, you can click on the subscribe button and turn on bell notification for the future updates. And you can share your thoughts on the comment box. It will help me to do much video for you. That's it, guys. Thank you for all and love you all. Bye. And that's it, guys. This is the overall process. This is the overall step I did for building this simple tool sites, and I hope this video will give you some idea on building future sites for your needs. I know this video will be a bit longer, but I try to cover in all aspect. I hope this video help for you. So if you like these videos, you can smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for the future updates. And I request you to share your thoughts or feedback in comment section, so it will boost me to do better video in future. That's it, guys. Thank you all and love you all. Bye.